Only 33% of
arimi aka 70 kuma riria agreement ya guthaitira hoto cia umundu yakiranirwo bururi wa Kenya ni unyitanire na thĩ yothe gukungwira muthenya uyu makimurika makinya maria bururi utacukitie na mathenya maria mariho. Umuthi a Kenya makihinyiririo gutaukwo ni ihoto ciao niguo gucirwo wagirira riria ciagararwo.
Opinion poll that we did, which we released last week, essentially has the police force as being the highest violator of human rights in the country, followed by the national government. And I think that must be a matter of concern. It must be a matter of concern not just for the police, but for all of us. And the question that we would want to ask is, how do we use this moment to rededicate the police service to the police reforms that were promised to us in August?
Amwe makionania kwaga mwihoko na maabitha a borithi gwoka ni guthingatithia ihoto ciao tana kiaya kuma Kawangware aria maroiga maratharikirwo ni borithi na gutunywo indo ciao hatari na gitumi.
Mimi hata nilifika hivi kwa giza nikitaka kuingia mtaa, kuingia kwa nyumba nikasikia tu urungu kwa macho.
Wanasema eti wakora wanakuanga hiyo place, lakini hakuna mkorote mmoja amejai chapa, wanachapa watu wa kazi.
Mimi walinipata tu kwa stage kingojea mteja, kaanza kunipiga, kavunja pikipiki, ndio naona hata wameniumiza kichwa bado.
Ona kuri uguo OCPD wa Kavete ni oriti ya Kenya kuhuraga rivoti riri ihoto ciao ciagararwo akiuga gutiri mundu ona umwe uri iguru ria watho.
The notion of the torturing with the police has been in existence for long. This one is something that has been there for long. But as persons who are upholding the high levels of the human rights, we do not want our name to be tarnished in that manner. That is calls for us conducting ourselves in our daily duties in a human manner.
Athirikari ni hinyiriirio gutigirira gutiri na muthutukanio hari guthingatithia ihoto cia Kenya na gutigagirira aria ihoto ciao ciagararitwo ni matangikirwo. Aritana ari kumurika makinya maria matacukitio hari kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu niguo kwaga gucokera mahitia maria manekwo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.